So what you can also do is you can access your search history inside of Microsoft Outlook. So let's say, for example, if I were to go around and say hi right here and press enter, then this keyword is actually saved in the search history. So in order to see what my search histories were, I can go around onto view, then to view settings right here, then under the general settings right here, under, let's say, for example, accessibility settings, there is privacy and data, and under it you can see that there's search history. So it says Outlook uses your previous search to improve your search result, and you can delete or download your search history anytime. So I'm just going to go around and click on export, and then it downloaded my search history as a CSV file, as you can see, and my search history was high, as you can see right here. So that is only a search history that I have, so I can go around over here and search for more words as well, and it'll be saved in the search history. But if I don't want the search history to be there, then what you can simply do is you can go around onto privacy and data and then delete out the history, that is the search history, so that it is not saved anymore as well. And that is how you can work around with the search history settings in privacy and data inside of Microsoft Outlook. So if you guys learned something as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.